Like and subscribe for more content.
This book is dedicated to the courageous men and women who have embarked on the arduous journey of immigration to the United States, leaving behind loved ones and familiar landscapes in search of a better life. It is dedicated to those who have faced unimaginable hardships, overcome insurmountable obstacles, and persevered with unwavering hope. This is for the families who have been separated by borders, yet their love remains a steadfast beacon, guiding them through the uncertainties and complexities of navigating a new country. This work is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a tribute to the unwavering determination to build a future, and a celebration of the diverse tapestry of cultures and backgrounds that enrich the American landscape. It's for the tireless workers who contribute their skills and talents to the nation's progress, often facing prejudice and discrimination with grace and dignity. It is for the dreamers, the innovators, the entrepreneurs who bring their unique visions and talents to this land of opportunity. It is also dedicated to the legal professionals, community advocates, and volunteers who tirelessly work to support and empower immigrants, providing guidance, legal representation, and a much-needed sense of community. Their dedication ensures that the voices of immigrants are heard, their rights are protected, and their journeys are navigated with understanding and compassion. This book, therefore, is more than just a guide. It is a beacon of hope, a testament to the strength and perseverance of immigrants, and a tribute to those who have dedicated their lives to helping them build a successful and fulfilling life in the United States. It's for the mothers who sacrifice everything for their children, the fathers who work tirelessly to provide, the children who adapt and thrive in new environments, and the elderly who find solace and community in their new home. It is for all who seek refuge, opportunity, and a better tomorrow. It is for those who have found it and those who continue the long and challenging journey toward it. May this book serve as a tool to navigate the complexities ahead and as a reminder of the incredible strength within each immigrant's heart. Proficiency in English is another significant component of the naturalization process. This involves demonstrating adequate reading, writing, and speaking skills. Applicants must pass both written and oral examinations designed to assess their ability to communicate effectively in English. Several resources are available to help prospective citizens prepare for this aspect of the test. Language classes, practice materials, and tutoring services can greatly improve the chances of success. The English language requirement reflects the importance of effective communication within a diverse and vibrant society. Furthermore, a solid understanding of U.S. civics is also essential. Applicants must pass a civics test, demonstrating knowledge of American history, government structure, and fundamental principles. This test covers a range of topics, from the U.S. Constitution and the Declaration of Independence to the functions of various government branches and significant historical events. Studying diligently from approved resources is crucial. The USCIS website provides a list of potential civics questions, and using these resources ensures adequate preparation. Understanding civics reflects a commitment to participating actively in the democratic process, a cornerstone of citizenship. Beyond the aforementioned requirements, applicants must also be of good moral character, which extends beyond criminal history. This implies upholding societal norms and values, demonstrating responsibility, and respecting the law. The USCIS reviews various aspects of the applicant's life during the residency period to assess good moral character. Once the eligibility criteria are met, the application process itself involves several key steps. First, Form N-400, Application for Naturalization, must be completed accurately and thoroughly. This form requires detailed personal information, immigration history, and answers to specific questions relating to eligibility. Accuracy is paramount. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or rejection. The form must be accompanied by supporting documentation, including evidence of lawful permanent residency, proof of continuous residence, tax returns, and other relevant documents as requested. Careful organization of these documents is crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient process. The application fee must also be paid, and all relevant information must be presented clearly and concisely. Following submission, the applicant will receive a receipt notice, acknowledging the receipt of the application. This marks the beginning of a waiting period, which can vary depending on the USCIS workload and individual circumstances. During this period, the applicant's background will undergo thorough scrutiny. This includes fingerprint checks, security checks, and interviews. The interview is a critical phase of the process where the applicant is questioned about their application and assessed on their English and civics knowledge. Maintaining composure, answering clearly, and providing accurate information are key during this interaction. The interview is conducted by a USCIS officer. They assess the applicant's understanding of civics, their English language skills, and their overall eligibility. Preparation is key here, and understanding the potential questions allows for better responses. If any discrepancies are found, additional documentation may be required, potentially causing further delays. The entire process requires patience and meticulous attention to detail. Upon successful completion of the interview and the background check, the applicant will be notified of a decision. If the application is approved, a naturalization ceremony will be scheduled. This ceremony is a formal event where the new citizens take the oath of allegiance to the United States, officially concluding the process. This is a momentous occasion and an affirmation of their commitment to their new country. However, the process is not without potential challenges. Delays are common, caused by various factors, including increased application volume and bureaucratic procedures. Applicants must maintain patience and persevere through any obstacles that may arise. If the application is denied, the reasons for denial must be understood and addressed, potentially leading to an appeal if grounds exist. Legal counsel can be invaluable throughout this process, providing guidance and ensuring the applicant's rights are protected. The benefits of U.S. citizenship are numerous, extending beyond a sense of belonging. Citizens enjoy full political rights, including the right to vote, run for office, and participate in the democratic process. They also benefit from increased employment opportunities, access to certain government benefits, and protection under U.S. law. Furthermore, citizenship facilitates international travel, simplifying the process of obtaining passports and visas. It offers a sense of security and belonging that is often deeply rewarding for those who have worked tirelessly to achieve it. Navigating the naturalization process successfully requires careful planning, diligent preparation, and unwavering perseverance. By thoroughly understanding the eligibility requirements, meticulously gathering necessary documents, and seeking professional legal assistance when needed, immigrants can increase their chances of a successful outcome. The reward, full U.S. citizenship, is a testament to their commitment and a gateway to a new chapter in their lives. This pathway, though demanding, is a testament to the promise of the American dream and a powerful symbol of integration and belonging. The journey to citizenship is a significant accomplishment, a mark of dedication, and a symbol of successful assimilation within the American fabric. It is a culmination of years of hard work, commitment, and unwavering hope. The echoing silence of your new apartment in a bustling American city is a stark contrast to the cacophony of sounds that marked your journey. The scent of unfamiliar spices from a nearby restaurant mingles with the faint smell of rain on hot asphalt, a sensory symphony you're slowly beginning to decipher. But amidst this new world, a fundamental question lingers. What exactly does your visa status mean? Understanding this is the cornerstone of your life here, the key that unlocks access to opportunities, rights, and the possibility of building a future. Let's begin with the basics. Your visa isn't just a piece of paper. It's a legal contract between you and the United States government. It outlines the terms of your temporary stay, defining your rights, limitations, and the purpose of your visit. Ignoring or misunderstanding these terms can lead to serious complications, potentially impacting your ability to work, travel, or even remain in the country. There's a vast landscape of visa types, each catering to a specific purpose. A tourist visa, B2, allows temporary visits for leisure, tourism, or short-term business meetings. Imagine Maria, a recent arrival from Colombia, on a B2 visa to visit her sister. Maria can explore the city, stay with her family, and enjoy her time in America, but cannot work or establish permanent residence. Should she overstay her visa, she risks facing deportation and future visa denials. On the other hand, a student visa, F1, permits individuals to study at accredited institutions. Think of David, a brilliant physics student from India who has an F1 visa. His visa allows him to attend classes, work part-time on campus with restrictions, and engage in other academic activities. However, deviating from his course of study or working off campus without authorization could compromise his visa status. It also typically doesn't grant him the right to bring family members immediately, depending on the specifics of his visa. Employment-based visas encompass a multitude of categories, each with specific requirements for skill levels, job offers, and employer sponsorship. Consider Anya, a software engineer from Ukraine, who arrived on an H-1B visa. This visa allows her to work for a specific employer in a specialty occupation for a limited time. Anya needs to maintain her employment with that sponsor to keep her visa active. Changing jobs or letting her H-1B lapse could result in serious repercussions, including a potential return to her home country. Then there are visas for those seeking refuge, asylum seekers and refugees. Imagine Omar, a Syrian journalist fleeing conflict who applied for asylum. His status is different from any of the above examples, as it's a temporary form of protection while his case is processed. He might have work authorization, but the conditions and timelines are highly variable and dependent on the successful completion of the asylum application. Until the process is finalized, uncertainty looms over his future. The L1 visa is a different animal, catering to intra-company transferees. Imagine you are a successful manager for a multinational corporation. The L1A is specifically designed for you, facilitating your transfer to a branch office in America. However, this visa is contingent on maintaining your employment with the same corporation and ensuring a consistent flow of work. The company needs to demonstrate that your experience is crucial to their U.S. operations. Regardless of the type, each visa has a specific expiration date. It's crucial to note this date and monitor its expiry. Overstaying your visa, even by a day, can severely affect your future immigration prospects. It can lead to penalties, legal challenges, and possible deportation. Always stay informed and proactive about your visa's expiry. To verify your visa details, you can check your passport or the original visa document itself. Pay close attention to the visa number, expiration date, and any stipulations mentioned. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) website offers online resources to help you confirm your visa information, or you can contact them directly. If you discover any discrepancies or errors, immediately rectify them by contacting USCIS. Timely intervention is key to preventing future complications. The importance of maintaining a meticulously organized file cannot be overstated. Gather every single document related to your visa application, including receipts, emails, letters, and any other communication from USCIS. These records serve as irrefutable proof of your immigration journey, providing evidence should any issues arise. A well-maintained file provides a clear timeline of events and simplifies matters if you ever need to provide proof of your legal status. Your visa status is not merely an administrative detail. It's the foundation upon which you build your life in America. It shapes your rights, your opportunities, and even your sense of belonging in this new country. Understanding its intricacies is the first step toward a successful and secure future. By actively engaging with the system, ensuring your documents are in order, and promptly addressing any issues, you can pave the way for a more stable and fulfilling life. Remember, proactive management of your visa status is the cornerstone of navigating the complexities of American immigration. This isn't just about paperwork, it's about securing your future, building a life, and securing your place in the tapestry of this nation. This is your story, and understanding your visa is the first chapter you write. Write it well. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Resources are available. Help is available. Use them wisely, and never hesitate to seek guidance when necessary. This journey may seem overwhelming at times, but remember to take each step one at a time. Focus on understanding your individual circumstances, the intricacies of your visa, and the resources available to guide you. Your success in navigating this system hinges on your proactive engagement, your careful organization, and your commitment to understanding your rights and responsibilities. It's about more than just legal compliance. It's about building a secure and successful life in your new home.
Like and subscribe to support the channel. Donations welcome.